Welcome to our channel, TechDevil. This is gonna blow your mind. A legacy of speed, the Realme GT Series. Realme has been killing it in the smartphone game. From budget beasts to flagship killers, they're all about pushing limits. The GT Series? That's where Realme gets serious about speed. We're talking top-tier processors, lightning-fast refresh rates, and a focus on performance. These phones are built for speed demons, the ones who demand the absolute best. The GT Series has a history of disrupting the market. Remember the Realme GT 5G? It blew everyone away with its crazy performance for the price. Then came the GT Neo 3, pushing the boundaries of charging speeds with its insane 150W fast charging. And now we have the Realme GT 6T. It's packed with the latest tech, a stunning design, and a price tag that's sure to turn heads. Unveiling the beast, the Realme GT 6T. The Realme GT 6T is a phone that demands attention. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you know you're dealing with something special. It's sleek, it's stylish, and it's packing some serious heat under the hood. First up, the design. The GT 6T is a head-turner. It's got this premium look and feel that you usually only find in flagship phones. The bezels are razor-thin, the display is massive, and the back panel has this unique texture that feels great in hand. It's clear that Realme put a lot of thought into the design of this phone, but it's not just about looks. The GT 6T is also incredibly powerful. We're talking about the latest Snapdragon processor, a super smooth AMOLED display, and a camera system that's ready to capture your best moments in stunning detail. And let's not forget about the battery life. In a nutshell, the Realme GT 6T is a beast of a phone. Powerhouse performance, Snapdragon's latest and greatest. Let's talk performance. The Realme GT 6T doesn't disappoint. It packs the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2 processor. This isn't just any chip, it's a powerhouse. We're talking flagship level performance here, folks. What does that mean for you? Everything is fast and smooth. Apps open instantly, games run without a hitch, and multitasking is a breeze. This phone can handle anything you throw at it. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a social media junkie, or just someone who wants a phone that can keep up, the GT 6T delivers. Realme has also optimized the software to squeeze every last drop of performance out of this chip. The result? A phone that feels incredibly snappy and responsive. And let's not forget about 5G. The future is here and it's blazing fast. A visual feast, AMOLED display brilliance. Now let's talk about the screen because the Realme GT 6T has a good one. We're talking about a 6.74-inch AMOLED display. That's big, vibrant, and perfect for consuming content. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or just scrolling through social media, this display makes everything look amazing. But it's not just about size. This screen is also incredibly sharp, thanks to its 5K resolution. That means text is crisp, images are detailed, and everything just looks super smooth. And with a 120Hz refresh rate, scrolling and animations are buttery smooth. It's a joy to use. And let's not forget about HDR10+ support. The blacks are deep, the whites are bright, and the colors just pop right off the screen. It's like having a mini cinema in your pocket. Photography redefined, capturing moments in stunning detail. Let's move on to the cameras because the Realme GT 6T packs a serious punch in the photography department. It features a triple camera system that's designed to capture your best moments in stunning detail. The star of the show is the 64MP main camera. This sensor is capable of capturing incredible detail and a wide dynamic range. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or anything in between, this camera delivers stunning results. And with features like AI scene recognition and night mode, you can be sure you're getting the best possible shot every time. The GT 6T also packs an 8MP ultra-wide camera for capturing those epic landscapes and group shots. And for close-up shots, there's a dedicated 2MP macro camera that lets you get up close and personal with your subjects. You can capture stunning 4K video at up to 60 frames per second with features like electronic image stabilization, ensuring your footage is always smooth and steady. And with slow motion and time-lapse modes, you can get creative with your video recording. Battery life that doesn't quit, power through your day. Now let's talk battery life because the Realme GT 6T doesn't disappoint. It packs a massive 5,500 mAh battery that will easily last you all day long, even with heavy use. Whether you're scrolling through social media, watching videos, or playing games, this phone can keep up. Realme has also optimized the software and hardware to ensure that you're getting the most out of every charge. This phone sips power when it needs to, and roars to life when you demand it. And when it's time to recharge, the GT6T supports 80W SuperVOOC fast charging. This means you can go from 0% to 100% in just about 30 minutes. Forgot to charge your phone overnight? No problem. Just plug it in for a few minutes and you're good to go. With the Realme GT6T, you can say goodbye to battery anxiety. Sound that immerses, elevating the audio experience. Realme knows that a truly immersive smartphone experience goes beyond just visuals. That's why they've equipped the GT6T with a sound system that's designed to impress. Get ready to have your senses blown away. The GT6T features stereo speakers tuned by Dolby Atmos. This means you get a rich, immersive audio experience whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or playing games. The sound is clear, loud, and surprisingly well balanced for a smartphone. Realme has also included software enhancements to further enhance the audio experience. Dolby Atmos for headphones creates a virtual surround sound experience, making you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. And for those who prefer to keep their audio private, the GT6T retains the trusty 3.5mm headphone jack. Whether you're an audiophile or just a casual listener, the GT6T delivers an audio experience that's sure to impress. Design that turns heads, sleek, stylish, and modern. We've talked about the specs, but let's be honest, looks matter. And the Realme GT6T is a good-looking phone. It's got this sleek, modern design that's sure to turn heads. It's a phone that feels as good as it looks. The first thing you'll notice is the large edge-to-edge display. It dominates the front of the phone, giving it a truly immersive look. The bezels are minimal, and the front-facing camera is tucked away discreetly in a punch hole cutout. On the back, you'll find a premium-looking glass panel that curves gracefully into the frame. The camera module is sleek and integrated seamlessly into the design. The GT6T is also incredibly comfortable to hold and use. It's got a slim profile and a lightweight design that makes it easy to use one-handed. Software that sings Realme UI 4.0. Hardware is important, but software is what brings everything together. And the Realme GT6T runs on Realme UI 4.0, which is based on Android 13. This is a clean, customizable, and feature-packed skin that enhances the overall user experience. One of the best things about Realme UI 4.0 is its focus on personalization. You can customize everything from the icons and fonts to the always-on display and system colors. There are tons of options to choose from, so you can make your phone truly your own. Realme UI 4.0 is also packed with features that enhance the functionality of the phone. There's a built-in screen recorder, a system-wide dark mode, and a dedicated gaming mode that optimizes performance for gaming. And because it's based on Android 13, you get all the latest features and security updates from Google. Realme has done a great job with Realme UI 4.0. The competition. How does the GT6T stack up? The smartphone market is more competitive than ever, so how does the Realme GT6T stack up against the competition? Pretty darn well, actually. Let's take a look at how it compares to some of the other phones in its price range. One of the GT6T's biggest competitors is the OnePlus Nord 3. Both phones offer similar specs and features, but the GT6T has the edge in terms of performance and battery life. Plus, Realme UI 4.0 is arguably a more refined and customizable software experience. Another phone that's often compared to the GT6T is the Xiaomi Poco F5. The GT6T pulls ahead with its superior display, faster charging speeds, and more premium design. The verdict, a compelling choice for the tech-savvy. So there you have it, the Realme GT6T. This phone is a beast. It's got the performance, the features, and the design to go head-to-head with the best of them. But most importantly, it does it all at a price that's incredibly competitive. Realme has knocked it out of the park with the GT6T. It's a phone that's designed for people who demand the best. Whether you're a gamer, a photographer, or just someone who wants a phone that can keep up with their busy lifestyle, the GT6T delivers. If you're looking for a new phone and you want the best bang for your buck, the Realme GT6T deserves a serious look. You won't be disappointed. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching. Now that you've seen all that the Realme GT 6T has to offer, why not join our tech community for more insights and reviews? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Pause 2S. On screen, you'll see some of our latest videos and a subscribe button. Click on any of them to continue exploring the world of tech with us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Pause 7S for end screen.